We begin tonight with a concerning health alert from the Boise School District. Cases of whooping cough, also known as pertussis, are on the rise. School officials are urging parents to take precautions to protect students and the community from this very contagious condition. Our Audrielle Tackett has more on this. Audrielle?
BSD is asking families to keep an eye out for the symptoms of whooping cough. They say this is part of a larger trend that's affecting the entire state.
It attacks the respiratory system.
Whooping cough,
It can shut things down.
a highly contagious respiratory illness,
It's a bacterial infection.
has made its way into Boise School District.
Early signs do resemble a common cold. However, the differentiator will be the symptoms will progress, like vomiting right after coughing, difficulty breathing, fatigue.
Wednesday, an email from BSD told parents student pertussis cases are increasing. It emphasized the importance of prevention and early treatment.
I feel like it was kind of like a cover your butt thing at the last minute by them. Like someone needs to take action on this because, like I said, I mean, this is our kids.
Symptoms can progress and become severe,
And it can make babies very, very sick very quickly.
even fatal.
Their respiratory system is just still immature.
It's especially dangerous for children and sensitive groups.
Kids are in closer proximity to each other, very close. So they forget that when they cough, they should cover their mouth. They touch surfaces or just, get coughed in their face directly.
One symptom of pertussis is so strong
I call it like a machine gun.
that its nickname, whooping cough, derived from it.
And then they'll get a whoop sound like cough, 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 cough.
PA Adam Garfield has an idea of the reason behind the recent increase.
The vaccination rates are declining in the Boise area, especially. Vaccines do prevent serious infections like this.
Garfield says hand washing and covering your mouth when coughing can slow the spread.
I would recommend that the school districts revisit their sick policies, but it's always better to just get checked out and have that answer.
CDC says the best way to prevent pertussis is with vaccination. The agency says nationally, as of December 14th, there have been 6 times as many cases compared to this time last year.
Wow, quite the increase. All right, thanks for that update, Audrielle.